Hello, welcome back to the channel. So let's do another problem on the properties of definite integrals. And in this question, we have to evaluate this expression, and these are also very commonly asked questions in your exams and midterms as well. But the process or the approach to solve these questions is very easy, and if you know the approach on how to solve these type of questions, you will be able to very easily solve these questions. Before we start solving this problem, I would also give you a hint about these type of questions, that whenever you see this thing in a definite integrals that your endpoints are the negation of each other, you will most likely have to use the property of even or odd functions in this case. So let's write the function for which we have to calculate the area under the curve for. In this case, our fx is sine x upon log of 3 plus x square, right? And now let's first check if it's an odd function or an even function in order to simplify our definite integral. So let's calculate f of minus x in this case. Our f of minus x would be sine of minus x log of 3 plus minus x to the whole square, right? So now if we simplify this down, our f of minus x would be sine of minus x is minus sine x by using the property of sine functions, and log of 3 plus minus x to the whole square would become 3 plus x square. And you can clearly notice in this case that your fx and f of minus x are the negation of each other. That means your fx is the negative of f of minus x, and that is clearly a property of odd functions. And now based on the property of odd functions, we know that when our fx is an odd function and we are calculating the area under the curve or the definite integral for fx dx, when my x varies from minus a to a, for an odd function, this integral is always 0. And we can also clearly notice in the problem that we have to solve that we have a similar looking pattern. We are taking the definite integral for an odd function from minus a to a. So now based on the properties of definite integrals, if we calculate this expression, this definite integral, the definite integral which is the definite integral of sine x upon log of 3 plus x square dx from x equals minus 2012 to 2012, that would be simply equal to 0 in this case. So you noticed how easy it was to calculate this definite integral by only using the properties of odd functions. So that is why knowing the properties of definite integrals is very important, because it always helps you to simplify your definite integrals and evaluate them as quickly as possible. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video interesting. Feel free to comment down in this video if you have any doubts. Follow the channel in order to get notified about the other videos that I'll be uploading. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.